Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Save As prompts on your Google Chrome web browser. So by default, if you don't have this enabled, Google Chrome will automatically download files to the Downloads folder on your Windows computer. However, if you want to be able to specify where each and every new download goes to on your computer, I'm going to show you guys how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right. It should be represented by three dots all stacked one on top of the other. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the settings near the bottom of this drop down menu. On the left side, you want to select downloads. And then where it says ask where to save each file before downloading, you can see it over here on the right side now. You can go ahead and toggle that to the on position if you want it to prompt you every time you are downloading a new file. So blue means it's turned on and it will prompt you. If you have it toggled to the gray position, it means it will not ask you every time before you're downloading anything. So let's just say we have it turned on here. If we went to Google Chrome's own website to go download Google Chrome, for example, I just want to give you guys a representation of what this would look like. So go ahead and download Chrome. You see we have the prompt at this point, so we have it turned on. However, if we toggle this to the off position and then we selected the download Chrome button, you notice it will not give you an option on where you want to save this file. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.